Hey everyone, welcome to Tekno BİLİM. Today, I'm sharing some innovative iPhone tricks you probably didn't know about, especially for wide-angle videos and creative iPad hacks. Let's jump right in. First, if you love wide-angle videos, make the most of your iPhone's ultra-wide lens. Just switch to the ultra-wide setting while in video mode for a more dramatic, immersive look. This is perfect for capturing landscapes or adding a unique perspective to your vlogs. Now, let's talk iPad. Did you know you can use your iPad as a second screen for your Mac? Head to Settings, enable Sidecar, and voila, you've got a dual screen setup. It's perfect for productivity, whether you're multitasking or needing that extra screen real estate. And a quick bonus tip, use the Apple Pencil to take quick notes or sketches. It's super responsive and perfect for creativity on the go. That's all for today's tips. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the videos, share them with friends, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for tuning in to Tekno BİLİM.